Hey, everybody. So the specific question is what is a good replacement note taker for Evernote or those or Remarkable? And so Notion.ai is certainly one of those. It's got a good interface. It's easy to use. The AI pieces of it, though, sort of don't feel quite as integrated as some of the other tools that I've used, but it's a direct import, which is really easy. Um, if you want to replace Remarkable with some other tool. There's, of course, Supernote, which is kind of its competitor, but I don't think that's necessarily the case. Um, I do think that Tactic is worth taking a look at because it's is a pretty cool product that is free, right? So it can do a certain number of transcripts and meetings and other stuff, but it is based on credits, but it has a ton of different sort of integrations. And I mean, I use it, have used it and like it quite a bit. The one that I'm just starting to use is one called Reflect. And Reflect is one of those things that can create backlinks. So backlinks are basically um, notes that I sort of didn't think about, that didn't exist, and then it's created automatically. So you can also save websites, and I find that really useful in Reflect. So there's a lot of options. I think Notion is a good one. I'd also take a look at Reflect and maybe also Tactic. So hope that's helpful. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye bye.